Now, 17 years. Do you call it marriage? Me say mo kasa one day. Kofa yare for nothing one day. Then you know what I'm talking about. Obiatino Bill 17 years. And you think that woman does not need or not qualified to be called a wife because of paper? Are we that mad? Huh? Never say Serwaa no who is. Who told you? What the fuck do you mean? Hello, baby. I'll be able to check a Sienna Emma eyes and with my friend the Erade. Me das I will subscribe now I share or Wabo plus side is what share no bianso and ya be amon share my intimate quetry and quetry na sika ba near so ye TV programs no more. That is it. Lumba, yes, you know. But the problem is still on because of one man, Papa she, the Sujimi, the Binzi that. The problem is still on. Now, when a FIA Vim lady or lawyer be interviewed, I say there is no marriage certificate. I shock you one. You put him right back.
There is no marriage certificate anywhere. I'm telling you on authority. There is no marriage certificate. Yes. And you're gonna
Auntie Akosua say once a court will say the evidence about ordinance document procedural, you know, or follow procedure. No.
And your procedure anti-fair people Thursday nearby, you know, Uncrophone fee said procedure and Omulusu case. And your procedure a substantive law. There is no marriage certificate anywhere. I'm telling you on authority. There is no marriage certificate. Yes. And never a marriage certificate. Okay. What do I say? And a judge no cry in law no. Even if there's a marriage certificate, you should still have something, an expert person, or be a lawyer from that country, or a professional, to tell us, say, Germany laws, no, say, who worry ordinance, obey ABC, who we are, na your mount certificates. What do you say? And we are first stage, you, and your certificate in Kwa. Germany is not the same as Ghana. Wow. But say experts to come and educate us on this aspect. Say Germany ordinances say no more na. Ghana the way ordinance different from so many countries. Yeah, you know, family never sign it. What I say? Husband and wife best sign it.
Yes, two witnesses.
Exactly. To work a wedding or Ghana ha. 2 witnesses ever sign it from both sides. By be a Germany, you know, or make us a husband and wife from Kwan ever sign it. You get it. 3. And also went to me. So let's educate the public properly. It has nothing to do with procedure. There is no marriage certificate anywhere. I'm telling you on authority. There is no marriage certificate. Yes.
Papa said there is no marriage certificate. I say continue who say marriage certificate is fake. And it's not my ruling now or my trust me. I say na a fake, it's not my because stories not a conflicting. And then when she say, when she say, now who even determines who is a wife? And then I'm the lady be kasa. And I bend there, or be a worry. Now we just side chick. And I'm so one side chick. And who is the wife? And your side chick na so be wife. E pa cho wan na, ye ba be ware na, ye dey na twem panada. Sa ware no kra de enko yie. Because I am pona twem, and na me hu say metimi ware na me ware. Wo a woni ma me ka twi ye ne. Ghana fo wade bia ohun pa will you marry me? What do you mean? It's a stupid question. Let me the man be the one to say that I'm going to marry you. And you know what it takes to marry somebody? And yet buku. And me say no one nante. Me who say e soro ne asie nyina e krojen. Pese me ware. Na me ware wi nso a full-time job. Certificate no ya fan ka he. And na aware for bebre wo ho aware na gudi just there. Okun sorry anu akọ oye so omo nkomopo If there's a problem, they can't even talk about it. Do you call that marriage? Obia 17 years. Do you call it marriage? One day, Kofa Yare for nothing one day. Then you know what I'm talking about. Obia 17 years. And you think that woman does not need or not qualified to be called a wife because of paper? Are we that mad? Huh? Who is? Who told you? What the fuck do you mean? Who told you say Akosua Serwaa no Lumba who he is? What are you talking about? Huh? Masa, me and Jimmy Papa see what Jimmy do? What Jimmy do? Me won't be our Jimmy sir. Because Jimmy no what Jimmy no, you were fooling things to make it right. Sure. What would see me out from legal wife? What is legality? And then put the Ghana, I actually said, when we read Jaya, and yet we say, Japanese a betchem. What is legal? And who is illegal? Niawo ba ya me no, eno na me hu say wo ya me yere. Ma make sure the duties of a wife. Mo fa to ho. Mo wi na mo fa nkyere me say Akosua Serwaa na oyo yere ana. The first duty of a wife is to make a house a home. Bema no abra wasi dan no. Wo na wo ba we da ha yeyintu ha mekwaba na me ma esua de. That is what we call a home. Your home is peaceful. That's the first thing. 17 years no way. Number 2. Oba onim ni yam kom ni kunu yam kom on e friend no yere. But 17 years no na Akosua Serwaa onu aduane e di good play mu de brand de bia na. Munchira me. Na onu aduane di good play mu e fa Germany no de abana. The next thing is what we call consummation. Sex. Ediem. 17 years na me read that. What's aware? By the laws of Ghana, when they were here to not 2 years, the marriage is over. Go and read the law. 2 years. What do you have blame? Only mean nada. 17 years. And you claim to be a married woman? What are you talking about? Now, we refer say, Akosua Serwaa ne den sabae or the letter ka home. The letter ni na chire. A letter ni state say on pelumba bi. At the end I kind of na obie so mu I don't care the age of odobroni. Said when nyansa eso papa mu baby obeko too thick and thing mbapa say edu baby no obo pampers odobroni na tete na se bi. What are you talking about? Then now catch me say legality. You are fool to say that. Excuse my language. What is legality about this? In times of trouble, and that's the last one. In times of trouble, yare ohia, and now who said, "This is my true love." Sad time no nipani niwa onye odofu. Yehu no be mekeka, and I don't care what you tell me. Etimwa team legal mo Jimmy Simi bia team legal ere. Team legal ere. Why were you 17 years? Asembe na yemfa no nka. Obeka se unima asemen. Asemen nsira. Lumba kokum ni ba. Aden na mo ma lumba din nasa. Kwasi asem amu ye na oba airport obi wa na who say superstar. No jam. What do you mean? Enye ni eyi ani. Ukunu ye da ukunu. Want me am hwe ukunu ani. That's what I catch him. Miss Wokoye ye na and one on the diamonds. Spiritual, Papa she no do what you know. Woni hu te empire ko nimbo. Me na make a spirituality na make a no. Ukoye ye na ujisika e diamonds. Because ukunu da ho no amehwe nanim. Masa. Mumma ye ma marriage. Enya meaning. Marriage is not a paper. marriage enye posa oni nipa ne te dem na obi timi notes na a whole year sebe on fa bibi nka wo ho onyi bibi nsa nipa no useless to you. How do you hold your wife or your husband? How do you cherish that person? And then me yare da wa will you still be there with me? And I'm back with that baby. Now you are not gonna say me baba change japadi. Foolish talk. Uma ye ni na ya adwemu mie. Eye sa e be de dokono kwa. Wa wo hwe me. Fa adwen fam. Wo ye bema so a ye du ba bia ye will. Say, o girlfriend kwa na for so deserving yama tro because enya me ne na eti dem ho. Onim girlfriends and they've saved their husbands. Munim ni side chick ma aware a ka munjimi aware bi wo side chick mmemu anka nipa na guawu. What are you talking about? I Xposed GHFM, bro, subscribe, share. Me too man na won sa enya ka bi fefefe manuansi.